How to turn on multi-guest requests on your TikTok live. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily turn on the multi-guest request on TikTok live. Without any further delay, let's begin the video. The first thing that you want to do is head over to your TikTok, and once you get here, make sure that you're logged into your account. From here, you just want to tap on your profile section. So the bare minimum requirement to go live on your TikTok is 1,000 followers. So if you have 1,000 followers, you are eligible to go live on TikTok. For that, you just have to press on this big plus button at the center on the bottom of your screen. And once you do that, you will find an option to go live. So just tap on go live. And once you start your live, at the bottom left corner, you will find two options, co-host and multi-guests. If you tap on co-host, you'll get an option to invite these people. And if you tap on multi-guests, you will have this option where you can tap on this settings option. And once you tap on it, you will get something like this where you have an option to change your layout as a panel or a grid. And if you want to keep it as a fixed layout, you can turn it on. And under your permission settings, if you allow requests from viewers, then your viewers will be able to request live on your TikTok. So if you turn it only your followers, then only your followers will be able to send join requests on your TikTok live. So if you want everyone to be able to send you requests, turn on the first option and they will be able to join your live. That's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.